Hey our friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the alien from 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with the nose right in the center. We're going to draw in a small arch line. We're going to come across for the eye. We're going to come up on the left hand side, curving this around, bringing that out on a diagonal. We're going to line this up at the same height on the right hand side, and we're just going to replicate that, bringing that across. Now from here, let's continue to round out the edge. So starting on the top, we're going to curve that in, bringing that through towards that line. And then we're going to replicate that on the right hand side, tucking that back in. And now we're going to come in this open space, and we're just going to start to color in the eye sockets black here. And of course, if you're using something different than a marker or a pen to do this, like a pencil, you can come in and color this part in after when you're coloring in your alien. Feel free to use this time to drop me a comment below, letting me know any characters you want to draw next, or even how your day was, what you had for lunch, anything fun. Okay, let's come down and draw in the mouth now. So directly underneath, let's draw in a nice big arch line from left to right. We're going to frame in the shape of the head now. So we're going to come across on the left hand side. We're going to curve this line around, and we're going to arch this all the way down on the right hand side, ending that at roughly the same height. Doesn't have to be perfect. Let's start back on the side here. We're going to curve this line out, in, and then we'll do the same thing on the right as well. Let's continue to taper this in on a diagonal. So we're going to bring this down, flattening the chin out as we cross that in. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. So bringing that down, flattening that out, bringing that in, blending that line together. Let's draw on the body. We're going to draw in two straight lines coming out on the left and right hand side. Now coming down on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes all the way down towards the bottom of the page, because this line is going to include the legs as well. And of course, if this is easier for you, you can use a ruler. I'm just using my free hand here. Might not be perfect, but that's okay. And we're going to end that at the same height. And then we're going to flatten that out with another straight line from left to right. Now in the middle, let's draw in the belt. So we're going to separate this on the top. We're going to draw in another straight line from left to right. And then we're going to come down, leaving a gap, replicating that again. In the middle for the buckle, we're going to draw in two straight lines on the left and right hand side. And then right in the middle here, we're just going to draw in a sideways rectangle. Let's add the details on the torso now. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on the left and right hand side beside the head. Now let's come across. We're going to draw in another diagonal line coming in. And then now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line coming down towards the belt. Right in the center here now, we're going to draw in a straight line right in the middle. On the bottom now for the feet, we're going to draw in another straight line, flattening that out. From the center here, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up on both sides. We're going to end that at the same height. And then we're going to flatten out that line on the top, leaving a gap. And now we're just going to draw in another diagonal line coming through towards the corner. Let's move up. We're going to draw in another diagonal line from the top center. We're going to make this one longer. Again, we're going to flatten this out, bringing the straight line across. And then now from that corner, we're going to bring this diagonal line up towards the corner. Let's move in. Let's draw in another diagonal line coming through, leaving a gap. Let's bring this line across. And then again, we're going to bring this line out on the side. Let's draw on our right arm first. So we're going to extend this straight line directly across towards the right. We're going to bring this line down past the belt. And then from here, we're going to again bring this straight line in towards the pant leg. Let's move up. We're going to draw in another straight line that comes across. And then we're just going to draw in a curved line, basically a half circle right in the middle. Now this hand is going to be holding the gun, so let's start with the gun first. We're going to come up beside the head and we're going to draw in a nice big circle. Let's move back in towards the middle. We're going to draw in another circle. And then again, another circle directly in the center. Let's move up. We're going to draw in 2 straight lines on either side. And then we're going to close that off with another straight line from left to right. Let's come underneath. We're going to bring 2 straight lines coming down. We're going to make these ones even longer because this is going to be the handle for the gun. And then we're going to close that off with a straight line again. Let's move down now, and we're going to bring this line out, down. We're going to do the same on the right, bringing this out and down. And then we're going to close that off with a slight curved line from left to right. Moving in behind, we're going to draw in another straight line coming up. Let's close off the arm now, so we're going to bring this line over towards the gun. We're going to, on the left-hand side, bring this line straight down. And then again, we're just going to close that off with another straight line, tucking that in. And that is it. That's how you draw the alien from 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all